Good day everyone, I am Jersey Tadisik and it is my privilege to spread the awareness of climate change and the global warming. So climate change and global warming awareness. So first, what is global warming? Global warming, it is the surface air temperature referred to as the global temperature that brought about by the enhanced greenhouse effect, which is induced by emissions of greenhouse gases into the air. So what are the causes and effects of global warming? So the cause of the global warming is the deforestation, the chemical waste proper disposal, the smoke from factories, the the air consuming cars, the carbon emission from vehicles, the extreme natural disaster, and the overpopulation. And what are the effects of global warming? So the effect of global warming is flood, the air pollution, the greenhouse effect, the loss of properties, lives, and extension and poverty. So ngayon, naghanda ako ng video na inyong papanoorin tungkol sa sanhi at bunga ng global warming.
In this video, we will discuss about global warming and its effects. Global warming is the continuing rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system. It happens because of various causes: use of factories, gas-consuming cars, and from other emissions from fossil fuels. The Earth's temperature has rapidly increased since the Industrial Age. Although global warming is a natural event, it's majorly contributed to by humans. The atmospheric quality is depleting and we need to do something about it, or else the Earth will start to become uncomfortably hot. Already we have started experiencing changes in the climate, like unusually long hot summer, warmer and shorter winters. The tropical storms have intensified and become more destructive and frequent. The basic cause behind this is enhanced greenhouse effect. The enhanced greenhouse effect is being caused by human activities that are adding greenhouse gases to the Earth's atmosphere. So what are these greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. These gases actually help regulate the temperature of the Earth. The rays of the sun warm the Earth and the Earth reflects these radiated heat outwards. Greenhouse gases prevent these gases from escaping the surface of the Earth. So if these gases won't be there, the temperature of the Earth would be unbearably colder. The natural greenhouse effect maintains the Earth's temperature at a safe level, making it possible for humans and many other life forms to exist. However, since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have significantly enhanced the greenhouse effect, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise by almost 1 degree. As there are already greenhouse gas emissions from natural sources, additional amounts lead to more heat being trapped on the planet. Today, greenhouse gas levels are the highest they have been in the past 3 million years and have been increasing since the dawn of Industrial Revolution. The burning of fossil fuels such as natural gas, coal and oil have added large quantities of carbon dioxide into the planet's atmosphere. Deforestation also increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the air as there are less trees to absorb it through photosynthesis. Farming practices such as intensive chemical soil fertilization have led to the increase in methane and nitrous oxide levels in the air too. Global warming is damaging the Earth's climate in several ways. One of the most visible effects of global warming can be seen in the Arctic as glaciers, permafrost, and sea ice are melting rapidly. Global warming is causing more frequent and severe weather, tropical cyclones, heat waves, and floods to happen. Melting of glaciers and polar ice. Higher death rates, more acidic oceans causing damage to oceanic wildlife, and higher sea levels.
So ayun, yun ang mga epekto at sanhi ng global warming. punta na naman tayo sa climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change refers to the change in the environmental conditions of the Earth. This happens due to many internal and external factors. So, what is the cause of climate change? The cause of climate change is the irresponsible of human being and the greenhouse effect. And the effect of it is the sea level will increase due to the meltdown of glaciers. So ngayon, naghanda naman ako ng video na yung papunuin tungkol sa epekto at sanhi ng global warming.
Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health.
Epekto ng global warming. Nagkakaroon tayo ng mga natural disaster tulad ng baha, bagyo, volcanic eruption, at marami pa, diba? Upang maiwasan ito, kailangan natin magtanim ng maraming punong kahoy sa mga kabukiran.
Question? If none, that would be all. Thank you.